Problem 30 for our calculator section. All right, we have the quadratic function h. The table gives 3 values of x and the corresponding values of h of x. Remember, h of x is just like our y values. For what value of x, or at what value of x does h reach its minimum? So, important to note, this is a quadratic function. That means at some point in the equation we have an x squared. When we see x squared, we're going to get a parabola. It looks like this or this, okay? Now, it's asking about when does h reach its minimum, okay? So hk is going to be our vertex. Our vertex is h, comma, k. So for h, it's the x value of the vertex, okay? Now, that's in general, but this function actually is talking about the function h, so keep that in mind as well. So now the minimum, we know our graph is going to be going upwards, right? Upwards trending on both sides because we have a minimum. If our function was like this, we would have a maximum. So it's not this one, it looks like this. Now we have 2, 0. So if we have our x-axis, it's going to be at 2, 0 for our x-intercept, and at 4, 0, 2, 4. We know 1's here, 3's here, 5's here. And then we know it's going to look something like, because we know it's going increasing, it's going to look something like this, okay? So now we have a rough picture. We could also plot the point 6, 8 if we wanted to get a point over here, mirrored over here, could do all those great things, but the question's asking at what value of x does h reach its minimum? So without even drawing any of this, we know that the minimum has to appear between the two x-intercepts. Moreover, it has to appear directly between them because our parabolas are like mirror lines, or they employ mirror lines. So everything on this side is going to be mirrored on this side, or reflected, kind of like a book, reflected. So what's on this side has to reflect on this side, which means this length will equal this length, which means they are equidistant in the x direction from our vertex. In other words, this length will equal this length. X equals x, right? So then this one here, 3, is directly between 2 and 4. So our answer is C, 3, because 3 is directly between 2 and 4. They're both 1 order of magnitude away.